I really need, I really need, I really need, we just Hey my Glam Squad, it's your girl Shelly, and y'all, I am back again with another cute makeup look. I know I have been gone a while, I know, but your girl been busy. She been having a lot of stuff, in the works. So that's what I'm gonna say in the works. But if you want to see how I got this look right here, then go ahead and stay tuned. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends, your mom, your aunts, your uncles, or whoever else you want to share it with. But let's get into this video. Bye y'all. Alright y'all, let's jump into this video. So first we're going to prime our face with the Power Grip by e.l.f. And I'm just going to put that on my forehead, under my eyes, on my cheeks. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just rub that in. And y'all, yes, I did go ahead and wash my face and moisturize my face, everything before this video. So now we're just going to hop into doing our brows. I'm going to take my spoolie and kind of brush my hairs into place. And now I'm just going to take a eyeliner pencil from your hair store and just shape my eyebrows the way that I want them to be shaped. And I did go ahead and do the other one off camera just to save a little bit of time. And now I'm just going to take some matte e.l.f. Concealer and underline my eyebrow just to clean it up, so that way the pencil will not be so harsh. And I'm going to do the same thing for this eyebrow. And y'all, please remember that eyebrows are cousins, they're not twins, okay? So it's okay if one has an arch and another one doesn't. And now I'm just going to go in with my Milani foundation in the number 13, and I'm just going to outline the top of my brow. I'm using that because that is my foundation color, so it will blend well with my foundation. And I like to connect my concealer and my foundation at the top and the bottom, because that way I can make sure that my eyebrows are even, or as even as possible, and there is no product being left behind. So whatever product was on the back of my hand, I just rub it in on my face. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. And now I'm just going to put some some concealer on my eyelid, so therefore that my eyeshadow can stick to my eyelid. This is the palette that we're going to be using today, and the first color that I'm using is that brown shade that's inside of it, and I'm just going to pat that in first, and then you're going to see me blend out the edges, so therefore it blends effortlessly. And now I'm just going in with that yellow, and y'all, yellow eyeshadow can be a little tricky, so my method is first I just pat it on as much as I can, just so it can pop a little bit more, and then once I get the desired amount that I want on my lid, I go ahead and blend that into the brown. And as y'all can see, that's what I mean by you pack on the yellow eyeshadow as much as you can, and then go in and blend it into the brown. And now I'm just going to take that glitter eyeshadow from that same palette and pack it on top of the yellow, just to give it a little bit more pop and pizzazz. And now I'm just going to do a wing liner with my NYX black eyeliner. Y'all, I'm so surprised I was actually able to do a wing liner, because a wing liner is like kind of hard, and most definitely if you have not done it in a while. But I was actually proud of myself for actually doing as well as I did. Now, it might not be perfect if you look at it up close, however, from afar it definitely looks like it's perfect. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And now I'm just going in with my Revlon mascara, and this is just so that my real lashes will be able to blend in with my false lashes. And this is the lashes that I'm wearing today. This is from my brand, and that is in the number 33. And now I'm just going in with my Milani foundation plus concealer in the shade 13, and I'm just going to put that on my face and blend it out. And I know it looks like it's not my foundation color, but however it is, it's just that my lighting was really bright. And now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer, and I'm just going to highlight up under my eyes, down the bridge of my, down the side of my nose, above my top lip. And now I'm just going to set my spray with the Milani Matte setting spray. And then I'm just going to get my fan and just to dry it up a little bit. And then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to go ahead and blend out the concealer. I really do like for my concealer to blend in with my foundation so that for everything looks like it's blended well. So that's just what I'm doing right now. And now I'm just going to use the Maybelline setting powder to set my entire face and on up under my eye, especially where I got my concealer. But I use it for all over my face. And then I'm going to spray my face again with that same setting spray and use my fan to go ahead and dry it up a little bit. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes from my lash line in the style 33 or Fierce. And then I'm just going to go in with a black eye pencil and blend up under my eye. And now I'm just going to take my brown lip liner pencil from my local hair store, and I'm just going to use that to line my lips to get ready for my lip gloss. And now I'm going in with my NYX lip gloss, and y'all know I love me a good nude lip, okay? But I'm not just gonna stop there. And now I'm just gonna take this LA Girl gloss and put it on top just for an extra shine or extra pop. Just like that, we have reached the end of this video. So if you have made it this far, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what other videos or what other look you would like for me to do. Alright, until then y'all, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
She make it shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste.